Hey everyone! Is there a difference between percentages, decimals and fractions? The answer is no. There is no difference. They are just different ways, different formats of writing numbers down. So, in saying that, 5% is written as a percentage. It is exactly the same. It has the same value as 0.05 in decimal. It has the same value as 5 over 100 in fraction. So 5%, 0.05 and 5 over 100, they all are equal, but written differently. Same as 90%. It's the same as 0.90 or 0.9. And it's the same as 90 over 100 or 9 over 10 in simplified fraction. So decimals, fractions, percentages, they are all cousins if you like. We write a value in mathematics. It can be written in percent form, in decimal form, in fraction form, and you can convert between percentages and decimals, percentages and fractions, and vice versa. So it's very important for you to know, as a math student, not to get scared when you see decimals, percentages, fractions. They are all related. It's just different ways of writing the numbers down.